students, welcome to the physics classes. This is Razika, and in the previous video we had started discussing about the numericals of chapter atom. Now let's solve few more numericals from this chapter. So here the given question is, calculate the orbital velocity and frequency of revolution of electron in the second orbit of hydrogen atom if the radius of first orbit is 0.53 angstrom. Okay, so they are asking us to calculate the orbital velocity and frequency, which can also be represented as nu. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ R1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ R1 ಇಸ್ 0.53 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Angstrom means 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. See here, we already know that from the Bohr's postulate, ನಾವು derivation ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ in the other videos. The nth stationary orbit though, velocity is written as z(e) square divided by 2nh epsilon naught, and z for hydrogen is 1. Okay. For the second orbit, n is equal to 2. The question is related to the second orbit. So, ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ n is equal to n value 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And ಈ value we must know 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Then the value of h here is, which is universal Planck's constant, 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second, and the value of epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad per meter. So these are the values. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಫೈನ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು you need to remember these values. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ Vn, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ V2 ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು Z is 1 into 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, divided by next 2 into the value of n is also 2 into h is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the velocity is equal to, you will get the value of velocity as equal to 1.094 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the question answer for the velocity. All right, orbital velocity ಕೇಳಿದರೆ in the second orbit we have got. Just a formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. and radius of the first orbit ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 0.53 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter ಇದೆ. Now the radius of second orbit will be, from the equation, n square into 0.53 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, or 10 angstrom ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Here n is 2, so 2 square into 0.53 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So this is equal to, solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2.212 angstrom ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 to the power of minus 10 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು angstrom ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ t is given by 2 pi r which is circumference divided by v ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 3.14 into r ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 2.212 into 10 to the power of minus 10 divided by the value of v is here 1.094 into 10 to the power of 6. Alright, as we know this frequency anta helidre it is reciprocal of time period. Alright, so idanne ulta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, reciprocal ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. so it will be 1.094 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 2.12 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay, 2.12 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Alright, ಸಾರಿ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2.12 ಆಂಗ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಸಾರಿ, 2.12. here also 2.12 you will get. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2.12 ನ substitution ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. so if you solve this you will get the value of frequency as equal to 8.213 into 10 to the power of 14 and the unit of frequency is hertz. so this is the final answer. now let's solve another example. so for the first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom, calculate velocity of the electron, radius, kinetic energy and potential energy of the electron, frequency of revolution of electron. also calculate Rydberg constant. so there are 5 questions. you have to calculate 5 things in this example or numerical. first thing is velocity of the electron, and the data given is the type of atom, the number of orbit they have given. the only thing which they have given is n is equal to 1 and the type of atom means z is equal to 1. this is the data which is given. now you need to calculate velocity of the electron, radius, kinetic and potential energies and the frequency along with Rydberg constant. so ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ you need to know the basic values, few basic values. one is electronದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, which is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. next, mass of an electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. next, Planck's constant is equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules. second, velocity of light in vacuum, which is you can represent it also by c, it is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. and the permittivity of free space, which is epsilon naught, is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad per meter. okay, so these are the things which you need to know to solve this numerical. alright, basic values idu: charge, electron charge, mass, the Planck's constant, velocity of light in vacuum, and permittivity. Now let's begin from calculating velocity of electron. So the first question, velocity, orbital velocity ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, and it is given by z e square divided by 2h n epsilon naught. Okay, so here everything we have, actually ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, which doesn't mean that you need not know all these things. Number of the orbit ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, z value also is given indirectly, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕದು. For hydrogen z is equal to 1, and rest of these values also you must know. Now let's substitute. Z is 1 into 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, divided by 2 into 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into n is 1 into epsilon naught 8.854 into 10 to the power of 12, 10 to the power of 12 divided by that's it. So if you solve this, you will get the value of orbital velocity as 2.188 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. So this is the value of velocity, orbital velocity in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay, next one, that is the second question. You have to calculate the radius of the Bohr orbit, first Bohr orbit. So again orbital radius value also now find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, which is given by n square h square epsilon naught divided by pi m z e square. Again all the values are known, substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 1 into 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 whole square into 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 whole divided by pi is 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. Z is 1 into 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you solve it properly, you'll get 0.5297 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So ಈ 10 to the power of minus 10 meter na you can write as 0.5297 angstrom. So this is the value of the radius of the first Bohr orbit. So this is also done. Next one, sub question 3. In the sub question 3, they are asking you to calculate kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So the simple formula for the calculation of kinetic energy is half mv square, and ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, which is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught z e square divided by 2r. Now again make substitution, which is equal to the value of this thing is 9 into 10 to the power of 9, z value 1 into e value 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square divided by 2 into r value na ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, which is this one 0.5297 into 10 to the power of minus 10 or 5.297 7 into 10 to the power of minus 11. alright. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ you will get 10 to the power of minus 11. So this is in terms of joule. Suppose if you want the answer to be in terms of electron volt, what do we do? ಇದನ್ನ again E ಇಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, which is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 ಇಂದ again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 in numerator and 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 in denominator, ಅದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 1 into 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole divided by 2 into 5.297 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So if you again solve this properly, you will get the kinetic energy is equal to 13.6 electron volt. Kinetic energy is equal to 13.6 electron volt. Further potential energy ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which is potential energy is equal to minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught z e square divided by r. So u is equal to, again all the values are known, this is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 1 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by r is again idu 5.297 into 10 to the power of minus 11. See, illi square ಹಾಕಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. If I just write a square, the answer will be in terms of joules. But if I want it in terms of electron volt, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ E ಇಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ 1E in the denominator and another E in the numerator ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್, U will be equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, minus 27.2 electron volt, minus 27.2 electron volt. This is the value of U. Next, coming on to the fourth question, you need to calculate the frequency of revolution of the electron. Alright, so time period calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, which is time period is given by 2 pi r divided by velocity. So if you reverse it, which is reciprocal of time period is actually velocity. So frequency, not velocity, frequency is equal to v divided by 2 pi r. Here the value of v is how much? This one calculate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, 2.188 into 10 to the power of 6 whole divided by 2 into 3.14 into r1. Also we have r value, which is 5.297 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So if you solve this properly, the frequency of the revolution of the electron is found to be 6.574 into 10 to the power of 15 hertz. Alright, so what we have done, we have calculated the values of velocity in the first orbit of hydrogen, radius in the first orbit of hydrogen, kinetic energy and potential energy in the first orbit of hydrogen, and the frequency as well. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು question ಇದೆ, that is calculating the Rydberg constant. Before that, see here, ಈ velocity, radius frequency, kinetic energy, we already know the formula to calculate all these things. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಟಮ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಫೈನ್. Now next calculate the value of the Rydberg's constant. See, to calculate the Rydberg constant particular value ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, because this Rydberg's constant is constant which is going to be same in every situation, and the formula for this one is m e to the power of 4 divided by 8 h cube epsilon naught square into c. So idralli everything is constant. Okay, everything means mass, charge on an electron, velocity of light in vacuum, permittivity and Planck's constant. So all these values we know, just substitute ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ. So 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 is the value of m, into E is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole to the power of 4 divided by 8 into 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 whole cube into epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 whole square ಇದೆ, into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 velocity of light. So if you solve this, you will get 1.096 into 10 to the power of 7 per meter. This is the value of Rydberg constant. Now the next question, show that the energy of the electron in the nth stationary orbit of hydrogen atom is En is equal to minus 1 divided by n square 13.6 electron volt. So this is a formula actually, En, which is the energy of electron in the nth stationary orbit of hydrogen atom. So ಅದು minus 1 divided by n square into 13.6 electron volt ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So before this equation, the general expression for En is actually formula minus 1 divided by n square m e to the power of 4 divided by 8 h square epsilon naught square. This is the basic formula for energy of an electron in the stationary orbit of hydrogen. Okay, so idralli all these values are constants actually. Adanna substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಈ equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So constant values are m is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. E value, it is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. H value is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad per meter. So these are the known constant values. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋದು. So En is equal to minus 1 divided by n square. M is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into E is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square divided by 8 into 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 square into 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 whole square. Just substitution ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. So if you solve this, you will get minus 1 divided by n square into 2.177 into 10 to the power of minus 18 in terms of joules. But here we have the answer, we have the formula in terms of electron volt. So to convert something to the electron volts, we have to divide it by E value, minus 18. So divided by E value means 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 electron volt al barutte ivaga final answer. So if you solve it, you will get minus 1 divided by n square 13.59 electron volt, or which is equal to, nearly equal to, round off ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 divided by n square into 13.6 eV ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the proof that En is equal to minus 1 divided by n square into 13.6 eV for hydrogen atom. So this is all for today, and we will be discussing about the next chapter, which is nuclei, from the next video. So keep studying ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and if you get any doubts, you are welcome to ask. Thank you so much.